everyone. My name is Kelvin Ang Tu Ken, and I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. Now, in this video 98, what I'm going to show you is something really tricky, not easy to understand. However, I'll try my best to tell you what I want. I'm going to make a list of all the departments that score the highest. However, the data that you're going to see later is not going to be that easy. So in this particular exercise, we're going to see how we can use the functions such as let, if, max to do the matching, then followed by TextJoin to actually put answer together. So let's just take a look at what I mean. This is the final outcome. So we have HR, sales, training, engineering, production, and admin. So these are their scores. This is the scores based on some tests that they have taken. Now, if you look carefully here, in this particular first test here, is the score. They actually look at it is 15, 16, 15, 15, 16. There's 216 here. So the 216 is actually the highest. So sales and production. So you're going to list down sales and production in this case. Okay, sales and production. Now let me just put this note out of the way. Yeah, this is the question asked, by the way. So it's still go there. Anyway, you look at the second one here. It says there 13, 13, 15, 15, 12, 12. So that means training and engineering, training, engineering. So if you look at the third line, 12, 9, 9, 7, 10, 11. So 12 is the highest, so the CHR. 14 is the highest for the next one. Then you have 17, one only. But if you look at the next one, you got 15, 15, 15, 13, 12, 14. That means 1, 2, and 3. HR, sales, and training. So HR, sales, and training. You're supposed to get this kind of answer from the action that we are going to do in a while. Right? So let's get to it. Okay, so now the first thing that we need to do is, now I'm going to do it here yet. I'm just going to do it here to show you how we can actually find out what is the highest, right? So I'm going to put here equals to, if this particular set of value, right, is equals to the max. Max means the highest value of this set of value here. Right. So let's see what's the outcome. So you see we have false, true, false, false, true, false. So this is meaning that it's going to take the second one, which is the sales and the production. So this is a very quick way of, let me just put a formula up here to get the result for 19. Now I'm going to copy it down and whatever, right? So I'm just going to leave it there first. Now I want to get rid of this word false. So I'm going to add in something here called if. So if this is true, then I want to show this. Show this for me. If it's only true, otherwise just leave it empty. Right? So when I press enter, you notice I get rid of the false. So it's true now. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use something called let. Let. So the let, no, for a while, let me just copy this one down. You notice that I get all this correct now. This is how it goes. Now, I'm going to use something that says let. So now, in front of this, the let function is like I name the particular item. So I'm going to put there let. Okay. Let's just say highest. Right? And this is the formula. I'm going to copy this. And I'll put it here. Then I'll put this comma. And I go to the back. So what happened now is I'm not going to use this anymore. I'm going to put here highest because I already used the name highest there. And for this value true, I'm going to put there highest as well. Now you notice the formula gets shorter because I'm using the word highest now. So when you see it is the highest, it's actually using this formula, this particular test here, inside the formula. So it's getting shorter. It don't have to be that long. Okay. Now, what happened next is I want to make sure that the logic works as well. So I already have this, and I want to collect the word HR, sales, and so on. So another if here. So I'm going inside this formula. It says if this is correct, is equals to true, right, is equal to true, then I want them to pick up this information, and I need to lock them, because if I were to copy it down, I don't want it to come down as well. And if it's not true, then just leave it empty. Right, so let's see what happened now. Yeah, so let's see now. I think I need to get rid of this. To put a bracket at the back here. See, the word production and sales appear. There you go. Right, so instead of like true or false, I'm getting the department. Right, so based on this formula, okay, let me just copy this. Copy this. Right. So based on this formula, I'm going to use something called TextJoin equals to TextJoin. TextJoin. So the delimiter that I'm going to use is going to be a slash, and if there is an empty, I'll just leave it, right? Otherwise, just use whatever that we have created just now. So let's see if I can get the answer. There you go. Copy it. So I'm actually collecting this information and put it together using the function called TextJoin. Okay, so let me just delete this. I'm going to put the formula here again. Formula text of this particular cell. There you go. That's the whole formula that we should do. So I use the let function so that this will be shorter. Then followed by I use the text join to join the answer together into one column. Right. Now, I'm sure there are a lot of people need this kind of solution somewhere. Somewhere you need this and you want to collect it together into one single line. Yes, or maybe other way of presentation. Just let me know how I can assist you in this. All right, so please like and share my video. This video 98 is going to be a great solution for those of you who need this kind of work. Okay, so please tell everyone that in your network, and tell people, everyone in your friends or your colleagues, that we have this solution for you. So thank you so much, and I hope you like the video. Please like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.